Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorial how to add surface. So for example, I will draw simple objects with these tools, control point cube, click in here, and next create again at this point, plus in here. Now you can select these objects and you can see we have these 3 points. You can click at these points to move. Like I will select these objects and then click at this point. Then double click, and then can move up from the front point to the top like this. The other, I will click again at this point, then go to front view to move. Now to make surface from this object, you can use these tools, loop surface, select the object, and then you can press enter. Click OK, and it will be automatically create surface. To add more surface, like at this side, you need to create for the edge. So I will create again by using this tool. I will create from this point into here. And then at this point, now in here. Use these tools. So you can set for another option. Like we can use surface from 2, 3, or 4 edge. You can click. I will select 1, 2, 3, and then 4 in here. You can click in cube, and it will be automatically add new surface. Okay, that's it for basic Rhino tutorial, how to add surface. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.